Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's whisper, we got to talk about yesterday's whispers. So yesterday had my eye on a whole bunch of stuff. The first one was USO. If you recall, I've been bullish above that 1060 level, but yesterday's level was 11, and I told you to wait until after the oil numbers came out. All right, do not trade through it. And you can see just after those numbers came out, this thing spiked down and then went right up through that 11 level. Great entry on the way up through there. Also told you to watch Apple. Right after earnings, we spotted pre-market price action. I was bullish above $96.50, and you can see as soon as the market opened, it opened above that. My traders were rocking this. The pre-market bandit had a fantastic trade on that one. Also Twitter. I don't love to trade this, but a lot of my traders do, so calling out the levels is always great. I was bearish below that 15 level. Foxy Roxy rocked this one on the short side, so great trading, Foxy. But really, one of the biggest winners was this FCX. Holy cow, so many of my traders were swinging this overnight. Many of them were day trading this. Absolutely love it. Love copper. I was bullish above 1150. And you can see this thing really took off, went all the way to like $12.70. So I still like this. There's still a little bit more room to go till it hits my high-end target of around 13. So watch this 1250 level. Also, like to watch the copper futures. Let me blow this up for you. So we are approaching this pivot if, okay, there's going to be resistance. If the copper futures can break above that and stay, there's a lot more room to the upside there. So keep your eye on those futures as well. Also yesterday, love the gold stocks. And they did really well after that FOMC hearing yesterday. They rocketed. I was bullish above 23, and I still love gold. I'm going to love this for a long time. And today's level that I'm watching is 2350. All right, on GDX. She could break above here, stay above. You can see some volume just came in there. So yeah, still love this. We had spotted some prints, I told you, on GLD. Many of us are in the calls on this one a couple days ago at 119.65 area. So I'm sorry, 118.65. So yeah, we're definitely doing really well on this. If she could stay above 120, really great. And last but not least, I told you to watch EEM. That 34.75 level, and you can see just after the Fed, this thing popped up through it, and there was a great like 20-cent trade on this. So my traders really rocked it, but one trader in particular, in fact, he was nominated. We voted on it for the trader of the day, and his name is Wayne, and we call him the cowboy, and he really is a true cowboy. And his call outs rocked yesterday. He called out ETE in the trading room, and all the traders piled into this one, and wow, what a ride that was. So fantastic call outs, cowboy. We love you. All right, so what are we watching today? Well, we have some earnings coming out. We have Ford came out this morning. A lot of volume coming in. I got a series of prints. We have about $13.85, 150,000. We have another one at $13.90. And then we have another one, $13.95. So here's how we're going to trade this. We're going to be bullish above 14. Okay, and I'm going to be bearish below the prints, but I even went a little step further. So 13.80 or 13.75, going to be bearish below that level. All right, so that's definitely the two areas that I'm watching on that one. Also, Vail earnings. This thing is popping up. I had drawn a line right here at this 1580, but you know what? 6 is the next level, right? That's going to be resistance. If it can break above 6, Okay, there's a lot more room to go to the upside there. In fact, you try to draw a line there. Oh, having a little trouble here. All right, drawing a line. It's going to be about 650 area is going to be high-end resistance, but it's got to break through the 6. The first time it hits there, there's going to be some sellers. As you can see, all these guys at 598. Yeah, they're selling. All right, a lot of big dark pool prints coming in there. So, yep, let it retrace back down, possibly pick this up around 580. And then if it can break through 6 again, I would look to enter there. Also, Potash came out with earnings. This guy's not doing too well. But a lot of, decent volume, 72,000. So you can see the buyer stepped in at 17, right? But if she breaks down through 17, then that's going to be bearish. There's a lot of room to go down, especially the 16 level. So watch the SPY today. Watch the 208 level. Guys, that's an old dark pool print level. If the SPY can't hold on to 208, the next level down is 207.45 in the dark pool prints. Come watch me trade along with my fantastic traders at the Java Pit Trading Room at www.thestockwhisperer.com. You guys, it's only $9.95 for a 30-day trial membership. You got nothing to lose. Happy trading, everybody.